Hi, welcome to Luxardo at Home. My name's G and today I'm going to be talking to you about the new classic, which is Bitter Bianco. Bitter Bianco takes that concept of the red bitter and totally reimagines it. So what we're doing is we're getting all these different herbs, roots and botanicals. We're doing separate infusions for each one. Then we're blending them together before distilling the liquid. When you distill the liquid, obviously you're changing the colour, but you're also changing the flavour of the liquid too. All of those orange notes that you usually associate with a classic red bitter are now transformed into pink grapefruit and also a wonderful lemon zest, which matches perfectly with the bitter components, including gentian, in this wonderful product. This can be used as a bittering agent in all of your favourite cocktails, also in the classic White Negroni as well. My favourite serve for this is super simple. We're getting a nice highball glass, we're filling it with ice, we're putting a single shot of this in because we want it to be nice and low ABV. We're adding a nice premium tonic water to the mix and then also a sprig of fresh dill. Then we're getting the lemon zest and just spraying it over the top. We call this the BB&T.